get what we give.
What is up, and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Friday. I haven't vlogged in a while. I think the last time was my birthday, which was like 2 weeks ago, so it's been a while. How are you guys? I miss talking to you all. I've just been living my life. I've been working a lot, which is good. Money is good. Christmas is coming up, which I'm so excited about. I don't know about you guys, but I am so freaking excited for Christmas. I can't wait to decorate, play Christmas music, crack open the Christmas movies. I'm just so excited. I freaking love Christmas. I am going to be doing Vlogmas. That's been a big question. A lot of you guys have been asking if I'm doing Vlogmas this year. I did it last year successfully, which was like the first time ever. Yes, I do plan on doing it this year. Fingers crossed all goes well. The only reason I think I was able to do it as well as I did last year is because I wasn't working. I didn't have a job to hold me back, and obviously I work now, so yeah, it'll be interesting, but I'm hoping I can do it successfully, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So that's that. I'm starting this vlog off a little bit later in the day. It's like 2:30 right now. I have had a pretty productive morning. I woke up pretty early because Nick had an exam this morning, so he slept over last night and then left early this morning. I went for a walk, just a short one, nothing too crazy. And yeah, I just made myself a smoothie, which I demolished, and now I'm about to go on another walk because it is such a beautiful day and I'm feeling really lethargic. I feel like I should just push myself, like overcome this laziness and go for a nice long walk while the sun is out. The weather's been pretty unpredictable. Obviously it's spring, so what do you expect? But yeah, I'm excited to get out there, get some sun, because that is something that the most, oh sorry, my Apple Watch is so distracting. My Apple Watch, do you guys know? I'm one of those people now. What was I saying? Yeah, so many randoms, like the most random people on the streets, like customers at work. There's been like 3 in the last few weeks, have all said, you need to get some sun. Well, guess what? I am. I find that personally pretty rude. Like, don't take offense when like my family or my friends say it, because I mean, they know me. But for a random to, I don't know, have issue with someone's appearance, especially something that I can't control. Like, I am naturally pale. I'm fully English. Like, I was born in England. My heritage is all like United Kingdom. I don't have anything else in me as far as I'm aware. So I don't tan, I just burn. Like, I might get a little bit of color in summer, but like nothing crazy. Like, I don't tan. I don't self-tan. I don't like self-tanning. I just don't like how it looks on me, and I don't like the upkeep. Like, I'm just way too lazy for that. So I just rock my pale natural skin, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But apparently a few random people have issues with that. Yeah, people have literally said to me, you need to get some sun. Well, firstly, it's spring. There hasn't been a whole lot of sun. And secondly, like, it's none of your business. So thank you. Next. All 3 people have been men. And the fact that they have the audacity to say you need to get some sun. Like, who the fuck do you think you are? Anyway, obviously it's a very minor thing, but it still frustrates me. I'm pretty secure in like my appearance and how I look. But there are other people out there that aren't. And for someone to have the audacity to like have an opinion about that, I just don't understand. Anyway, run over. I am gonna go get some sun and yeah, go for a nice long walk. I'm trying to get back into my daily walk routine that I was doing pretty religiously at the start of this year. I was going, oh my god, my hair. I literally have antennas coming out of my ears. Yeah, I was going pretty do you want to go outside or not? Like, make up your mind. Hold on, I need to fix this. It's gonna bother me otherwise. There we go. Yeah, I was going pretty religiously at the beginning of this year, like on a daily basis I was going for a 7-kilometer walk, which obviously I felt the benefits, like physically, emotionally, mentally. And yeah, I kind of lost it a little bit over winter. Like I still went, but not nearly as much as I was going. So I'm trying to get back into it. I'm making it a priority to get my steps in, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I don't know which way I'm gonna go. I have like 2 different paths I like to take, 2 different routes. They're both about 7 kilometers. It takes me like an hour and 20, an hour and a half, depending on how fast I'm going. So I'm gonna crank some tunes, go for a walk, and then yeah, see where the rest of the day takes us. I think Anya wants to go shopping tonight because it's late night shopping in the city, so I might head to town and do a bit of shopping, although I don't really need to buy anything, but maybe I'll start on my Christmas shopping. That could be a great idea. Lily, you're ruining my shot, bro. Okay, just plant your big fat butt right in front of my camera. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it.
Showing off. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me?
So, we've made a dramatic recovery of my appearance, and now Anya and I are off to the city.
Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy faster?
I just got out of the shower, as you guys can probably tell, and now I'm gonna clean my room because it is a disaster. One of you guys actually commented on a recent vlog saying something like, take a shot every time Ella says she needs to clean her room, and that is so true. I say it way too much, but I clean my room and I do a great job, but I'm just really bad about keeping it clean. I need to work on that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm not gonna bore you with a cleaning montage because I do those way too often apparently. But yeah, this is the before. Pretty bad, and this is the after, ladies and gents. I have done a great job, if I do say so myself. I may have done a great job with cleaning my room, but it's just a matter of if I can keep it clean, I think is like the real issue. So pretty happy with my efforts, not so happy about my hair right now. What is going on? I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair, maybe put some makeup on for no real reason. I just feel like looking a little bit more presentable. Wow, we're already kicking goals. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like I've gotten a decent amount of footage and I want to get this vlog up tonight. So hello if you guys are watching it on the day it's been uploaded. You guys are the real MVPs. Look out for a lot more vlogs coming soon. I'm officially on uni holidays, which is so exciting. No more studying, no more assignments. Yes, thank you. And now that I am on summer break, I have a lot more time to commit to making videos, and I can actually like commit to a video schedule. Is that a bruise on my knee? I literally have bruises here, there, and everywhere. I don't know what's going on. I'm very clumsy. It looks like a bruise on camera, but I don't think it is one. Is it just a shadow? I'm really confused. Anyway, yeah, now that I'm not at uni, I can hopefully stick to some kind of upload schedule. I'm hoping like 2 to 3 videos a week, potentially. Maybe some weeks only 1, some weeks maybe 4, who knows. It just depends on how busy I am. But yeah, lots to look forward to. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are. I feel like I haven't vlogged in such a long time and I just feel a little disconnected. So let me know how you guys are doing, what's new in your life. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!